Hi, it's Chester at Blue Pecan Computer Training, and in this video we're going to look at how to remove grid lines from specific cells within your worksheet. Now, first of all, we're going to look at removing these grey grid lines that automatically appear in a sheet. And to do that, what you would do is you would select the cells that you don't want lines to appear around, and then on the Home tab of your ribbon, go to the Fill Color button, which has got a little paint bucket on it. Go to the little drop down and choose a white fill. And then if I just click outside that area, you can see there are no lines around those cells. Just put a border around it to make it even more obvious. Now, just to point out something, these grey grid lines don't actually print out, not by default anyway. If you go to the Page Layout tab, there is a little section here for grid lines, and if you untick that option, you'll see what your spreadsheet's going to look like when you print it out. If you did want to print out these grey grid lines, then you would tick this option here, Print, and that will force the grey grid lines to print out. I'll just untick that. Now, the other scenario is where you have printable grid lines. So these are grid lines that are applied when on the Home tab you choose a grid line option in this menu. So what if you wanted to remove grid lines from an area within these cells that have printable grid lines? Well, what you do again is you select those cells, you go to this border button on the Home tab, it's got a little drop down, and you would say no border. But then you'll notice that it removes the borders from the adjacent cells. So what you'd want to do is, with those cells still selected, you want to reapply an outside border. Then if you want to get rid of the grey grid lines on those cells, it's back to your fill button and choose a white fill, and you're done. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please subscribe, and I'll see you next video.